It's the celebrity playlist on Star FM, and we are sounding good all the time. This next guy here is my guy. He's my guy. He's known for his famous phrase, and his time. He is the loudest person, and I really need to put the mic away from him because this guy is loud. Let me walk here. Siyabesabela ungangena ku-character yakho lana hey
Yeah, too much.
too much.
Yes.
Ladies and gentlemen, help me welcome on the After Drive of Star FM, sounding good all the time, Mr. Sipo Mesenyathi.
Thank you, my Konja.
Zithini bro wabo
Sister, ufikile kasi.
angifikile baba zithini lapho Sipo?
Amnandi baba, amnandi.
Hey,
No
ndoda
complaints.
busy these days, busy like oh no, on an average day akusitshela ukuthi ushuta amaskiti amangaki
Sometimes ngiyakhona shoot.
ilanga lonke.
Yes, ngiyakhona.
Ngiyavuma.
Yes.
All right, so
Ngiyakwazi ukuthi ngashoota but then bese sizala khona ngibe sengifikela maybe ngenye kusenda kwanani.
yeah.
Ngivusa amajito asambe ngiyeshoota ngishaye like maybe 6 or 10.
All right.
Skits, yeah.
So for umuntu ongakwaziyo, someone listening to radio and doesn't know who Sipho Mesenyathi is, akubavulele nje picture kancane ukuthi ngubani uSipho Mesenyathi.
Okay, uSipho Mesenyathi is a digital content creator.
Okay.
Abanye bathi ngikhuluma ukulema. Inspired by Babongile Skhona. Yes, I'm not shy to say that.
Okay.
Yes, I'm not shy to say that.
And thanks
Yes.
for inspiring ukulema baba. I feel humbled.
Yeah, so I'm a digital content creator. I make
Yeah.
social commentary skits, comedy. Yeah, that's pretty much what I do.
Yeah, you also present a podcast.
Yes, I also present a podcast. Currently, I'm doing a Metro Drive on Sky's Metro FM.
Okay, wow.
Yes,
wow.
and also on Fridays, Kitika show.
Okay.
Party,
All right.
yes.
A radio DJ.
Yes.
Ah, nice.
So
nice.
Lugulema stand-up comedy.
Yeah,
like, yes.
yeah. No, maybe when you wanna grow your DJ career, you must come and join us at Star FM. Maybe you'll sound good all the time. Good to have you.
Right.
Right. What is clearly evident in your skits is you love Luveve.
Luveve Kwabalani.
Yes,
Yes,
you love Luveve.
United, let me correct you.
Yeah.
United States of Luveve Kwabalani.
All right. You also have a special connection. There was some Rwanda area. Those are your neighbors.
Yes, Zapa.
Like we're part of the United States of
Luveve is the capital city.
Ngoba nabanye silabe Luveve lapha naba represent ama arts.
Okay, for we have legends.
Yes.
So apparently we rest in peace to the legendary
Of course.
historian Ubaba Patisanyati.
Yes, last week.
Yes, and
Yeah.
then also the late Kelvin.
Okay.
Yes, I'm
Yes,
scared
that
now.
Luveve boy.
Yes, I'm scared now since I'm mentioning about Dabashula as Konjo Yakuna Singland.
These days akwaziwa.
These days I was you.
Right.
Yes.
Ukuze opening line yakho for all your skits, you always like to say mina indaba zabantu angizithandi, and then you go on ukuthi usitshele futhi indaba zabantu.
I don't go on to khuluma indaba zabantu.
But
Ngibe ngingathandi indaba zabantu. Ngibe sengikhuluma umbono wami ukuthi but mina ngabe ngiyenze so yes.
yeah. So yavela ngaphi statement leyo?
Statement lana people picked it up.
Uh-huh.
Yes, but mina ngangikhuluma like no. Lawe uzathothi into like you always lo we catch face kwakho la oyabo nakho. Then people apparently they pick it up. Uthanda uthanda ukuthi indaba. Then I'm saying nanzela ukuthi I like saying ukuthi indaba zabantu anthanda ukuthi.
Yeah. Out of all the skits you've done, which one do you think for you and not really athandwa ngabantu, but there are skits similar to lay skit the one Yespo, the one where there was one I liked Yespo.
Oh yeah. Espogo was very good. Yes. I think mina ngathi yangichaza asibonga isikhonjwangile like one of the most favorite because zonke zidepicted different or maybe I the one that I can say I like the most ilana ukuthi bembuza ukuthi imbali crash yakho yabo budawa.
Okay.
And then there was a guy who was crashing something that I can't see.
Yeah. Let's talk about live shows and emceeing. Are you getting a lot of bookings or are you featuring in shows?
Yeah, I feature on my shows like Mahlekisa comedy shows.
Okay.
Yes, I went to, there was a Harare International Comedy Show
Uh-huh.
that was happening featuring African Joker
Right.
from Zambia, and then there is also Kevin Tongu Hart. He calls himself Hart.
Okay.
Yeah, so he did a comedy series, stand-up comedy series. Yeah, since I got an apana, it's Blawa Theater. So yes, I've been getting gigs. Them chat to any, the 21st. Yes.
Okay. It's the celebrity playlist on Star FM, and we are sounding good all the time. I'm talking to Sipho Mesenyati. When I was so upcoming, when I was so you. So in the way. Yeah, in relationship yakho injani lo ukhala ngale nkosi?
Like Skonjo, so into zokhuluma.
Angiyabuza.
Ngiyabuza nje ukuthi
Hayi asifelanga nyani.
ukhuluma ngoba
Ukhala ngale nkosi.
mina ngiyinkosi angimazi ukhalanga.
Hayi sizayichiya khonapho. Indaba yakho lo was it Novio Sikho?
Kuhamba njani?
Angazi yaphila ngapha.
Eka Novio Sikho.
Kanti kodwa ujola lo bani? Hayi ukuthi indaba zakho
Asinenge
ukuthi
Skonjo.
indaba zabantu
Yes, awuthandi kungazazi. Siyafana nami kuyikhohle.
Yes. Kuna papa kudingayo, what are your social media handles?
Oh, it's Sipho Mesent on all platforms. Sipho Mesent Nyathi wonke ama platforms.
Every platform.
Yes, every platform.
Yeah, this is a person you need to check out, and see, it's quite funny, and it's very popular in Bulawayo. Yeah, popular fan. Uyazama. One day uzafika ku level
yakho.
Khuluma. Ayikuthi indaba zabantu.
Let me fika ku level yendebele rockstar.
Yeah, that would be
Yes,
awesome.
yes,
Yeah, it's
yes.
lonely up there, man. Sifuna abanye.
It's lonely up there.
Sifuna ukuthi sibe baningi to bring
Yes.
justice on our listeners,
Yes.
especially the people that follow you. For you ukuthi ngikwekele ungangenanga ku character nje. Usichayela uyiskid okuncane.
Baba ngineskonjwa mina ukuthi indaba zabantu andithanda ukuzikhuluma man. But sithe suka lapho nithembise.
Uthemzeni.
Suyara ngoba siku radio. Thofu ungitshayisa 1-2.
Alokho so problem lokho. Siyachaya.
Yeah.
Lapho.
Yes.
Yeah, siyachaya ngendlela wachaya ngayo ayikuthi indaba zabantu.
Yes.
It's the celebrity playlist on Star FM, and we are sounding good all the time. Sipho Mesent Nyathi.
Yes.
Noma indaba zabantu ungazithandi.
Yes.
Sikuchayele iphi ingoma and why?
Okay, I think ingoma like my favorite theme song is Fraz Seqamability. Fraz Donara Seqamability.
Yes, I remember those points.
Yes.
Have you not done something recently with Sufras?
I've done like those projects, the Seqamability projects,
Yeah.
those are projects that we were doing together.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
So it always holds a dear place in my heart.
Yes, I saw
Yes.
something recently.
Yes. Ipao. Ingoma
I think,
Ipao.
yeah, I think,
Yes.
yeah, that
Ingoma
you did
Ipao,
Sufras.
Ipao. Based on a true story.
Yeah. Unfortunately,
Yes.
we lost one of our favorite bouncers, Ushuto, as well.
Yes.
Yeah, we're really gonna miss that guy, Ushuto.
Yeah, definitely. Yeah.
No, we're gonna miss him.
Very sad.
So, your song is Franz and Donara.
Seqamability, Baba.
Super,
Bulawayo
Baba.
anthem.
Super, Baba. Thank you very much
Thank you,
for
Siyabonga.
being
What will you
here.
tell it, Pasigit?
Elga Wingman. Asichida.